Today, I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint, which I think is one of the better versions of Linux for home server and general use. To start things off, you're going to need Linux Mint. You can download the Linux Mint ISO from their website located at linuxmint.com. I have a video showing you how to make a bootable USB drive if you need it. Links are in the description. This is the first screen you'll see when booting into the Linux Mint ISO. Under normal conditions, you should select the top menu item and press enter. Linux Mint will now boot the operating system into memory. Keep in mind, despite you loading to the desktop, Linux Mint is not yet installed. The desktop mode lets you get a feel for Linux Mint, as well as start the installation process. Installing Linux Mint starts with double-clicking the icon on the desktop titled Install Linux Mint. Once started, you will be greeted with several setup screens. Here, choose the language for your installation and click Continue. Now choose the keyboard layout language and click Continue. The third-party software package here is optional. I suggest clicking the checkbox to install it and clicking Continue. If you have multiple hard drives, you'll receive a prompt to select the desired install location. Otherwise, as in my case, only having one hard drive, I choose to erase and install Linux Mint. The system is basically asking me to confirm my choice, and since I know everything is right, I choose to continue. Here, select your time zone and click Continue. Now, this screen is important. Choose a name to identify your user account. Pick a quality password that you won't forget, but can't be guessed easily. I suggest selecting Require My Password to log in, but for the video, I'm choosing to log in automatically. Last but not least, click Continue to start the installation. Now, depending on your computer, the install process may take a while. Once the installation has been completed, you'll be greeted with this screen, asking if you'd like to restart the computer. I suggest at this point removing the bootable disk or drive from the system and selecting Restart. After the restart, you'll be greeted by your newly installed Linux Mint desktop. There are a few things you should do first once your new system has been installed, such as updates and installing useful apps, but that's for another video. Hopefully this video has helped you. And as always guys, if you like this video and you want more like it, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Linux.